In this video, we will show you how to use our super easy fuser counter reset kit for the listed printer models. This simple process can save you thousands of dollars and help protect our planet. To reset the fuser page counter, we need to open the 8 screws indicated in the image. Then open the 3 covers to access the fuser board. The left side is the disposable version, and the right side is a reusable reset kit. Both kits have a nearly identical installation process except the last step. Start by releasing the 2 plastic locks and lifting the fuser board. Then, unplug the 2 purple cables. Next, connect the right side purple cable to the reset kit. Place the connected reset kit under the fuser board and cover the fuser board back in its place. Then, reconnect the left side purple cable to its original location. And plug in the white connector from the reset kit to the fuser board. Reassemble the fuser unit by replacing the 3 covers and 8 screws. For reusable reset kit users, keep the 2-pin split cable outside when reattaching the cover for easier future resets on the same fuser unit. This feature is beneficial for both end users and printer lease or maintenance service providers, significantly simplifying the maintenance process. For reusable reset kit users, attach the fusible link cartridge to the fuser surface. Disposable reset kit users can ignore this step because there is no split cable like this on the disposable reset kit. Now, the reset kit installation is complete. Reattach the fuser unit to your printer and enjoy hassle-free printing. When you need to reset again on the same fuser unit, our reusable reset kit makes it incredibly easy. Just replace the fusible link cartridge from the outside of the fuser surface. Our reset kit will make your job much easier, simpler and safer. You no longer have to completely tear down or solder anything on the fuser unit. It is that simple. Join us, and effortlessly save thousands of dollars for yourself over your printer's lifetime, while making significant positive contributions to our planet. For small quantity purchases, you can buy directly from our online shop or through our reseller partners. The purchase link is in the description below. If you would like to know more about page counter resets, including how it works and its positive environmental impacts, watch our educational video guide.